Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we're gonna be making pecan snowball cookies. This cookie has so many variations and names. Some people call it Russian tea cakes, some call it snowballs, Russian butterball cookies, Mexican wedding cookies. No matter what you call them, snowball cookies always reminds me of Christmas. They are so easy to make with a melt in your mouth shortbread base, chopped roasted pecans, and coated in powdered sugar. This is a classic Christmas recipe made with just 5 ingredients in one bowl. So let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let's get right into the ingredients. You are going to need all-purpose flour. You are also going to need butter, sugar, pecans, and vanilla extract. Toast pecans in a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. Then give them a fine chop. By toasting the nuts, it brings out that depth of flavor, guys. Fill the measuring cup with chopped pecans and set to the side. Cream butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. This classic pecan snowball cookies start off with an easy, buttery shortbread base. The great thing about it is you can choose to add chopped pecans, walnuts, or hazelnuts. Add vanilla extract and mix well to combine. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Slowly add flour and mix until just combined. These snowball cookies taste amazing and are perfect for the holidays. This is the texture we are looking for, guys. Using my hand, I'm gonna work the pecans into the dough. Cover the dough and chill for 30 minutes. Roll dough into 2 tablespoon sized dough balls placed on a parchment lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Repeat until all the dough is used up. The reason we chill the dough, we want our cookies to stay nice and round. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool slightly for 2 minutes until you can handle them. So here in the bowl I have 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar. Roll the cookies in powdered sugar while they're still warm and place them on a cooling rack to cool completely. This is a classic holiday recipe that I'm sure your family will enjoy. Add this recipe to your holiday baking list to make your family happy. The cookies are cooled down completely. We're gonna roll them in powdered sugar and serve. There you have it, guys. Pecan snowball cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. And if you are new to my channel, hello there. Welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I want to know, what do you call these cookies? Leave a comment down below. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.